Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robin Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel or you're a returning viewer, welcome. If you haven't already, please take a moment to hit that red subscribe button at the bottom of the screen, as well as that little bell icon so that you will always be notified when I upload a new video. Today, I have another design team package from ASC Craft Supplies. All of these items will be available on their website. Also, please feel free to use my coupon code ROBIN10, that's all in capital letters, to receive a 10% discount upon checkout. Next and final collection that we're going to review by Mintay is called Mama Razzi. This includes a 12 by 12, 6 by 6, the paper die cuts, the cardboard stickers, and there's also a chippy die cut piece to go with it. We're going to review the 12 by 12 collection first. This is a really fun and whimsical collection. This is dedicated to those people who love to take photos. On the back of the first page, we've got these fun film strips, a camera lens. Here's an old-fashioned camera and a digital camera, as well as these fun floral sprays. The first signature, you've got this Polaroid here in the center, and the entire background is actually a film strip. In the upper left-hand corner, you have this fun camera that's flanked by these beautiful floral details and more cameras on the back, as well as here on the bottom. On the back, you have this fun light teal color with film strips running across it. The next signature, you have this large open space for a large photo, and flanked you have these camera lights, floral details on the top as well as on the bottom. Next, you have this beautiful yellow background. Again, this is an image of a film strip. And you have these rectangles with floral elements in the middle. The next signature, we have this beautiful peach background, more cameras on the side here, floral details, and then another floral spray on the top with these cameras and film strips. On the back, you have a light muted peach with film strips. The next signature is this huge photo lens flanked by beautiful floral sprays, and in the back you have film strip images. Next, you have another beautiful yellow background with a combination of floral elements and cameras. Next, we have this beautiful all-over floral pattern, and it has a light teal background. Next, you have this light teal faded background, and then there are shadow images of these vintage cameras. We have these fun cut-aparts of these vintage cameras. And on the back, you have these beautiful frames. Next, we have the cardboard stickers. Again, you have these circles, these pendants, pretty as a picture, photo album, these fun tags here on the bottom, and the sentiments. Similar to the other collections, we have a 6 by 6 paper pad. These are the same images that I just showed you in the 12 by 12. They're slightly smaller. Let me do a quick flick through. We have the Mama Razzi paper die cut pieces. I took some of them out to give you a better view. We've got these gorgeous floral sprays, camera lenses, film strips. You have a variety of different cameras and some sentiments here, snapshots and photos. This concludes my review of the Mintay Mama Razzi collection. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. Please be sure to visit my channel to see the fun projects that I make with this collection. Don't forget to check out my other craft hauls featuring the new spring Mintay collections, including City of Love, Seaside Escapes, and Yes I Do. Thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.